Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. This is my new video related to Maths Aroma and the topic is Q. Friends, those who are opting for the bank examination or any other competitive examination, you would have noticed that there are many questions that are calculation based and they involves cubes as well as squares. So this video is going to make it easy for you. How? I have brought a very easy method to calculate the cube of two-digit number that will surely help you to calculate the questions in seconds. So let's see how to calculate the cubes. As you know, whenever a cube is being asked, like cube of 13, so how do we do? We simply multiply 13 into 13 into 13. And that gives us 169 into 13, that is 2197. Okay, as the number is pretty small, just because of that it is easy for you to multiply it 3 times. But if the number is big, like 39 cube, 39 into 39 into 39, this expression can be there on your face because it becomes very difficult to do the multiplication, because in bank examination especially you have the pressure of time, you have the pressure of exactness, so that's why it becomes difficult for you. So this is a method by which, if you learn this method, you can solve, you can get the cubes of two-digit number easily, because it's not that easy to remember the cubes or we can mark the cubes of every number. So we want a method, we need a method. So there is the method. How to do that? Just let's see. Now the same example, first of all, that is 13 cube. So I have taken this example so that you can learn the method easily, and after that we will pick some more example. Okay, so 13 cube. What is the first step? Just pay attention. 1 and 3. The number is 1 and 3. Our unit digit is 3 and our tens digit is 1. Okay. So what is the ratio of unit and tens digit? So if we see, we will get 3:1. So that is 3. Okay. So it means the ratio. Our first step to find the ratio between the digits, tens as well as unit. So here unit, ratio, tens digit, that we got 3:1 means 3. So how are we going to write our first row? There are 2 rows in every question. So first row, how are you going to write? First of all, your tens digit is 1. So cube of the first digit, tens digit, that is 1 cube is 1. And after that, what is the ratio? 3. So you are going to multiply it and write it 4 times. Like 1 multiply by 3, you will get 3. 3 multiply by 3, you will get 9. And 9 multiply by 3, you will get 27. So you have to write 4 number in this sequence, and we are going to begin with the cube of the tens digit. Cube of the tens digit, that is 1. 1 cube is 1. So we have begun with 1, and after that we are going to use this ratio, that is 3. So we are going to multiply it by 3. So 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 9 3s are 27. This is our first row. So first of all, you should be clear how to write the first row. For every question we are going to do the same. Okay. Now how to write the second row? Just see. Now for the second step, first row, that we have already written 1 3 9 27. Second step is very easy for every number. What are you going to do? You pick the middle two, that is 3 and 9. You have to double them. Like 9, the double of it is 18, and 3, double of it is 6. So you are going to write the double of the numbers, like 9, that is 18, 3, that is 6, just below them. Okay, means 1 3 9, 1 3 9 27. Just below 9 you are going to write the double of it, that is 18, and just below 3 you are going to write double of it, that is 6. So like this you are going to arrange the second row. Okay, now you add first and second row. So what will you get? Below 27 there is nothing. Just pay attention. Below 27 there is nothing, so we are going to copy it as it is. Below 9 there is 18. So 9 plus 18 will become 27. Below 3 there is 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and 1 there is nothing, therefore we are going to copy it as it is. So after addition we got 1, 9, 27 and 27. Now how to write the final answer? So for that, first of all you write 1, 9, 27 and 27. Now this 7, that is the unit digit, just copy it as it is, and this 2 that you are going to mark as carry. Okay. Now the another number, that is 27. Now this carry will be added in 27. So this will give you 29. So you are going to write 9 of 29 here and again 2 as carry. Okay. Now this 2 will be added in 9. So it will give you 11. So 11, 1 we are going to copy here and 1 as carry. And now this 1 will be added to this one and will give you 2. So the result is 2197, and this is our answer. So it is very easy. One more time you listen it. That is, what is this? First of all you write after addition 1, 9, 27, 27. Mark this 2 as carry and add in 27, that will give you 29. Now leave 9 and treat it as carry and add it here. So it will give you 11. And now leave 1 and add this 1 to this. So you will get 2, 1, 9 and 7. This is what your result is. So it's very easy. Now you can see it here, 1, 9, 27, 27, and here 27, 2 as carry. You can see, you can notice it here. And then again this 2 will be added here. So it will give you 29. 9 will be copied here and 2 is used as subscript, that is carry. And then again 2 will be added to this 9, that is 11. 1 is copied here and 1 is taken as subscript, that is carry. That one will be added to the last one and that will give you 2197. So it is easy to calculate once you learn the method. Now you see another example, that is 16. Okay, just do it with me. Pick your copy and pen and just do it with me. Now you can see unit digit is 6 and tens digit is 1. If you find the ratio, then unit digit, ratio, tens digit. So it will give you 6. And what is your tens digit? 1. So in our first row, how are we going to start? The cube of the tens digit, that is 1. And then we are going to ratio, it means 6 times. So 6 times of 1 is 6. 6 times of 6 is 36 and 6 times of 36 is 216. So this is our first row. In the second row, we are going to double the second and the third number. So it will give you 72 here and 12 here. So now we are going to add these two rows and you can see it here. You can see it here that one 6, 36, 216 and 12 and 72. Now you add 216 as it is, 36 and 72, that is 108, 6 plus 12, that is 18, and 1 as it is. Now you are going to write the final answer. 6, the last digit, unit digit of this number as it is, and 21 will be treated as carry. Now 21 will be added to 108. So it will give you 129. 9 will be copied here and 12 will be treated as carry. Now this 12 will be added to 18. This will give you 30. So 0 will be copied here and 3 will be treated as carry. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. So final answer is 4096. This is your final answer. So now I think you would have understood the method. Now you see the another example, that is 39 cube. In 39, your unit digit is 9 and your tens digit is 3. So the ratio is again 3. And but your first digit, it means the tens digit is 3. So tens digit, the cube of the tens digit is 27. Then 9, 3 times of 27, 81. 3 times of 81, 243, and 3 times of 243 is 79. Second row, double it, that is 486, and double of 81, 162. Now add them, you will get this row, and then final answer 9 as it is 72 carry, that will be added to 729, that will give you 801. Now 801, 1 will be here and 80 will be added in 243, that will give you 323. 3 will be copied here and 32 will be added to 27, that will give you 59. So 59, 319, that is 59,319, that is your answer. Once you learn the method, it becomes easy for you to calculate. Now 23. In 23 case, you can see the unit digit is 3 and the tens digit is 2. It means 3 by 2. The ratio is 3 by 2. So our first digit and tens digit is 2. So cube of 2 is 8. Now ratio is 3 by 2. So we are going to calculate it in this way. So we are going to multiply with the ratio. So you will get 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12 here. And now 12 into 3 by 2. Then 2 6 are 12, 6 3s are 18 here. And for 18, you are going to multiply it with 3 by 2. So 2 9s are 18, that is 27. Now double of 18, 36 and double of 12 is 24. Write it 8, 36, 54 and 27 after adding. Now final answer 7 as it is, 2 carry. 2 will be added here, that will give you 56. 6 as it is, 5 carry. So 5 will be added, that is 41. 1 as it is, 4 will be added here, that will give you 12. So your answer is 12,167. Now the last example, that can also be a case if both the digits are same. It means the ratio is 1. So cube of the tens digit is 64. So as the ratio is 1, we are going to multiply it one time and after that write it 4 times. So 64, 64, 64, 64. Double of 64, 128 and double of 64, 128. So the addition is this. Now write the final answer the same way. 4 as it is, 6 will be carry, added here. 198, 8 as it is, 19 will be added. 211, 1 will be here, 21 will be carry. 64, 21 plus 21. 64 plus 21, that will give you 85. So your answer is 85,184. So if you learn this method, it will be very easy for you to quickly get your cubes. This is new method. If you will learn, it will be in practice and you will be easily finding the cubes of 2-digit number. So just practice it, and if you have any query, if you have any question, you can post it to me. My next video will be related to your query. Otherwise, I'll keep posting the more tricks for you. Thank you and have a nice day.